ago, when I was in the bank, I worked with two women who were of the same age, both married with children, but were completely opposite each other as far as their outlook was concerned.
You gave us a platform where we know that whatever we let out will be safe, and that we will not be judged.
The husband was a womanizer, and this caused huge fights between them. This also caused the daughter to clam up and not talk to the two of them.
I wanna congratulate the team. Grabe, ang dami-dami naming natutunan. And ako, very appreciative ako na dito sa growth mindset, hindi nyo nilive out si God.
Danny's sister, Ella, received a report card with an average of B+ for the first time and was excited to tell the parents. Unfortunately, the parents did not react in a way Ella expected when she tried to show them her report card.
I really enjoy the breakout rooms, and it's actually very intimate.
We explained everything that has been happening to Dave and Drew, and how his absence was negatively affecting the lives of his sons. The father got teary-eyed.
It's helpful to hear other parents share what their struggles are and how they dealt with the situation.
She had a son named Jason, whose activities she monitored closely, being her only child. Myra made sure she was back home from her office at 4 p.m. so she could tutor Jason.
And having this golden mindset workshop, I will definitely share this with my friends.
Upon opening it, my wife was shocked to see it contained 73,500. She had no idea where it came from.
It can be easily understood. It takes a very complex idea and simplifies it into a very basic tool that even I can understand.
Despite her intelligence and attractiveness, Nikki felt so alone in her troubles and really missed her parents and their love. She sought solace in having a boyfriend.
I am really grateful for El Refugio for this opportunity to rethink decisions and make sure that I am in line with the values I wish to impart to my children.
Kasi usually kapag mga online workshops, di ba yung mga attendees nakaupo lang, manonood lang the whole day. And I believe isa yun sa pinakamagandang nitong program ninyo.
Ako ata, Tito Kalay, ang dami ko yata na bulgar tungkol sa buhay ko.
This program and this workshop brought us one step closer to being a better parent. Not just better parents, but better persons.
I believe that this has taught me so much more about myself as an individual.
It made us think. You're not just listening to someone talk, you're part of the process.
As a teacher, a mom, a sister, everything na, lahat na.
This workshop has definitely helped me.
You know, it's so worth it for me. Just bouncing ideas off each other, experiences off each other. It's a give and take.
This workshop has equipped me to be a better parent.
This gives us tons. It's like a funnel of information.
This serves as my personal metrics to measure my performance as a parent.
Ito po ay may recommend ko sa mga ibang co-parents ko.
In this workshop is give and take. I learned so much from the rest.
It's a funnel of information because it's experience that teaches other parents what they have done right and the lessons that they have learned in raising their kids.
No doubt we love our children, but I personally feel that I can forget how to, and and this is what helped me with the how-to.
This workshop is very helpful to me to become a better parent.
I will encourage my co-parents to spend a little time.
We will definitely recommend attending the workshop to all of our co-parents.
I very much would endorse the golden mindset for parents.
Highly recommended. I mean, from the first time this was pitched to the board, I was on board.
And of course, this is highly recommended to all parents and guardians.
Things that we already know, but we needed to be reminded about these concepts.
Love to spread the good news to other friends of mine, and I will continue to do that even in my busy schedules.
Thank you, El Refugio, for this wonderful workshop, and it's much appreciated.